Sue.
Choose who?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I were to Sue.
Sue, are you there?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So now,
Of course. Yeah. Of course, she didn't see you. She's as blind as a bat.
blind as a bat. Yes, very good. So this again, this is a very common English expression, blind as a bat. So now, Sue, what does that mean? If you're blind as a bat, what does that mean?
I feel like kind of like bat lives in a cave, so I don't know. I just guess it.
Okay. What's your guess?
Yeah, it's like kind of like they are when you are bad, like someone like kind of ignore you, or like they don't think that you are important, or that kind of that kind of way.
How about I say this? If I say, without her glasses, my mother is as blind as a bat.
Maybe because of their vision.
Yes. So if you can't see very well, we say blind as a bat. So yeah. So for example, my mother is as blind as a bat. So how about you, Sue? Are you as blind as a bat?
Yeah, sometimes, but I don't care. I go out with I go out without glasses.
Okay.
Because I don't have to see many details when I have to, but sometimes I put on my glasses. I'm on my glasses when I need to see every details of the objects. Otherwise, I won't put my glasses.
Okay. All right. Okay. So now, can you choose somebody?
Yeah. This time I would say cool.
See here.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, good. Okay, I'll say cool.
We enjoy the party. We certainly did. We have a black of a time.
Okay. What do you think?
We have a. I don't know exactly, but I will choose. We have a.
What do you think?
Mm.
Let me see here. Oh, Augustus thinks it's a rabbit.
Rabbit, yeah.
I don't know. What do you think? Seku?
Yeah. I think we have a rabbit of time.
It's a whale of a time.
I don't know exactly.
Yeah.
Oh.
So actually, I'm not sure. Just if you say a whale of a time, that means it was fun. I'm not sure why it's a whale of a time. Maybe because the whale is really, really big, and so you have this really big, wonderful feeling. I'm not sure, but that's what we say, whale of a time. So how about you, Seku? When was the last time you had a whale of a time?
Whale of a time. Yeah. Can you explain me what does that mean?
It
Why
just means,
all the time?
Yeah, it means you had a fun time. It was really fun.
Fun time. Oh, yes. Yeah. The thing that I like to do. So, like curl hair.
You curl your hair?
Yeah, curl my hair and curl my hair, and when when I went to the shop and curl my hair, it's far for me.
Oh, okay, so you can say when you curl your hair,
yeah,
you have a whale of a time. Okay, All right. So now, can you choose somebody?
Yes, I will choose cherry too. Cherry too. Yes.
Cherry, are you
Yes.
there? Okay.
Yes. Yes, I am. You can sit there and argue until the blank come home, but I'm not changing my mind.
Okay. What do you think? Until the what comes home?
Mm. Lion.
Lion. Let me see here. Cows come home. Yeah, because what it is, this is another common expression. So until the cows come home, because you think of a cow, cows are kind of slow. So in this case means something that takes a long time. Maybe they're gonna argue for a long time, or argue until the cows come home. Okay, now Cherry, can you choose somebody?
Yes. May I choose? Plain pencil. Plain pencil.
Okay.
Yes, yeah,
Okay. Can you read this, please?
yes. If I have,
Or
I bet
no. So if I hadn't.
it I hadn't, the wall would have hit me square between the eye.
Oh, okay. So what's this action when you go? Oh, what's that? What do we call this action?
Want to sleep?
But which word from below
Yes.
would be most appropriate? Maybe does Augustus think rabbit? I guess.
I think it's, I want to guess is sheep.
Let's see here. Ducked. Because when you duck, you go like this. That's what we call this action is called ducking. Okay, so if I hadn't ducked, the ball would have hit me square between the eyes. Okay, so now Thin Hatetso, can you choose somebody?
Yes, I want to try. Cherry Tom.
Cherry, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, can you read this, please?
I like the other players in the semifinals. For BO is
Popov.
Popov is a bit or a duck.
Ooh.
Dark horse.
Dark horse. Yes, very good. And what do you think? What does a dark horse mean?
It's very quick.
Well, no, actually, dark horse. This means something that is unknown, that could be very successful or powerful. Yeah, because like so we use this a lot when we in the beginning of a new season for either football or basketball, when they get a new player, but they don't know, they think he may be good, but they're unsure. That's what a dark horse means. Okay, all right, so now can you choose somebody?
Yes. Clara.
Clara, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so can you read this, please?
We are getting nowhere. This is a bit of a why. Donkey chase.
Donkey chase. Let me see here. Goose chase.
Oh, goose chase.
Yeah,
Yes.
so this is another common English expression. So, but what do you think that means, Clara? What's a goose chase? A wild goose chase?
Chase. I don't know. I don't know exact meaning. Yes.
It just means that, you know, when you're trying to catch the goose, sometimes it can be very difficult because they get away. And that's the same thing when you're talking about if you're doing something very unorganized. We say, oh, this is a wild goose chase.
Oh, I see.
Okay, all right. Okay, so now, now can you choose somebody?
Yes. I choose say cool.
Yes.
Okay, Seku, can you
It
read
is
this?
always, yes. It is always fair. It was his idea, so he should get the black chain on the process. And it is always fair. Yeah. He should get the dog share.
Dog share. Let me see here. The lion's share of the profits.
Leo share.
Yes. Okay. All right. So this just means that maybe he should get more because he came up with the idea. Okay. So now, Seku, can you choose somebody?
Yes. I choose Clara.
Clara,
Yes.
you're
Clara, are you there?
you're very popular today.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know exactly. Yeah, I will choose Sayeto. Sayeto, yeah.
Okay.
Hello, I'm here.
Yes. Okay. Can you read this, please?
Yeah, Tan has always been the blank or the family. His parents are lawyers, his two brothers and daughters. Why he dropped out of the school at age 15.
What do you think? The black
Yeah,
of the family.
yeah, so let me think. I think it's one.
What's that?
Yeah, WORM, one.
Worm.
I think that.
Worm.
Yep,
Let me
not
see it.
sure.
The black sheep of the family.
Oh,
So if it's black sheep, this means somebody in your family, maybe they're a little embarrassing. They may do some things that are not good. That's what we call the black sheep. Okay. All right.
yep, I got it.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So can you choose somebody?
Yeah. Is there anybody who doesn't spoken?
No, I think everybody's spoken, but some more than others. So I think Clara has spoken a lot. How about somebody who hasn't spoken so much? How about Augustus? Augustus, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you read this, please?
Okay.
Yeah, so I will choose this one too.
Okay, how about Augustus? Augustus,
Okay.
yeah, go ahead, please.
You're not going to something your way out of doing the worship up this time.
Ooh.
So you're not going to goose. I think goose.
Goose, let me see here. Worm your
Worm.
way out. 'Cause, you know,
Okay.
a worm moves like a snake like this. And
Mhm.
so this means, you know, if you worm your way out, you kind of, you know, you try to get out of doing your job. And then you think maybe, oh, I hope someone else will do my job.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. Next, let me see here. How about Lawi Marn? Are you there?
Love him.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you read this, please?
Yes. It was a nightmare. She blanked on about her job for hours.
Mm.
About her job. Um, uh, it was a nightmare. She lied on about her job for hours. I think.
Or she rabbited on about her job for hours. Yeah, this is an expression that I've never used before. It may be British English, but okay. All right, next person. How about, let me see here. Oh, Augustus thought it was a cow. No, not a cow. How about Sue? Oh, it looks like, I guess we're finished for today. Okay. But yeah. So what we'll do is maybe every Saturday in this summer term, we'll just do like 1 hour from Thai time 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. It's be kind of more laid back. I'll introduce some new expressions, and then. But if you guys wanna, I encourage you guys to, if you feel free to talk more and yeah. Okay, but do you guys have any questions about today?
Yes, teacher. Do we have this training next week?
Yeah. Well, yes. So we'll do it.
Yes.
Yeah. So
It is every Saturday. Yeah.
It'll be in June and July. Yes.
June and July.
June
Yeah.
and July.
Every
Okay.
week for every Saturday, right?
Yeah. So you're free to join if you want to, and also maybe invite your friends as well. Okay. Okay.
Are there any homework for this workshop?
No homework. But what I'll do is I will post this PowerPoint on the I'll post it on the group so that you guys can review.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
All right.
Sir,
Yeah.
hi, sir. I want to ask with that. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Today we study about idiom. The first one is what can we learn?
Okay, here, I'll go all the way back here. Yeah, so the second half was idioms. First part was the expressions dealing with anger and annoyance. So, and what I'll do, so right here, you have anger and annoyance practice and animal idiom practice. And I'll post this in the messenger.
Hello, sir.
Okay?
I practice.
Yes, thank you, sir. I a little bit can cut the first lesson.
Okay, yeah, I'll post this onto the messenger group. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So, do we have to see next Saturday?
You don't need to, but if you want to, you can join. Okay. So I'll have this class every Saturday at 4 o'clock Thai time in June and July. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, I get it. Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay.
So we can use this Zoom link.
I'm sorry. What?
We can use this Zoom link.
No. Well, I will create a different Zoom link.
Okay.
And yeah, I will post it in the. I'll post it in the messenger group. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So see you guys. See you guys next week.
See you.
All right, see you guys. See you,
See you,
sir.
sir.
Yes, see you, sir.